Okay guys, so we have a new unit in store today. This is unit number 484. She is a 14-inch full lace kinky curly unit that we added these beautiful custom highlights in for this client. And we're also about to install this unit for her. So I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful custom unit we created. It is a 14-inch full lace unit. Let me show you guys the lace if possible. But yeah, let Magic Hair Company custom create a unit for you today. This is a beautiful 14-inch kinky curly. Let's see if we can see this full lace scalp here. So this is our full lace realness. I only have one hand right now, but I wanted to show you guys the beautiful color and texture. Definitely let Magic Hair Company create a custom wig for you. We have the most natural, beautiful units here. As you can see, this is our front hairline. It is naturally less dense. There is baby hair around that entire perimeter, and the knots are of course pre-bleached. You can change this part anywhere that you want. But yeah, if you want a custom lace wig, full lace, front lace, 360 lace, if you want it custom colored, if you want a great installation, great customer service, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We make the most beautiful custom wigs, and we can definitely custom color it for you right here in store. Contact us today at magichaircompany.com. Like, follow, and subscribe our social media pages to stay up to date on all of the latest sales, discounts, promotions, and giveaways that we're having. And most importantly, come visit us here in our Culver City store, located at 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'll try to post more new units soon, and let me know what you guys want to see from us. Thank you. Bye.